Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Oh, if I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Won't take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. But I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Oh, if I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. Oh, for
There you see it, sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her, and you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Yes, you wonder. Look at her, you know you do. It's possible she wants you to. There's one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha la la la la la, my oh my. Don't wanna be too shy, go on and kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame? Too bad, don't wanna miss the girl. Now's your moment, floating in a blue lagoon. You better do it soon, no time will be better. She don't say a word, and she won't say a word until you kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, don't wanna be too shy, go on and kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame? Too bad, don't wanna miss the girl. She don't say a word, and she won't say a word until you kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, don't wanna be too shy, go on and kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad, ain't it?
Hello, Beise. Alright, welcome. I invite you just to take a few breaths with each other and to also take a moment to look at all of your guests who joined us today. Remember that you are supported and loved by everyone who is with us. Nick, I understand the Boise Depot holds a special place in your heart and is filled with memories of your childhood when you and your sister would crash weddings here. So, if there are any guests you do not recognize today, may you greet them as kindly as you were greeted. In light of those who are not physically with us today, let's take a moment of silence to acknowledge and welcome in spirit Beise's grandparents and Nick's cousins. Thank you. We are all gathered here today to witness and support Beise and Nick as they commit their lives to one another through the honorable and sacred act of marriage. I understand you both, Nick and Beise, are steadfast in choosing one another. I honor your sense of sincere commitment to each other, as well as the commitment to yourselves. I also acknowledge the joyful light and laughter you allow as a gift to each other and everyone around you. Beise and Nick have chosen to share their vows with one another on their own. We have their vows in writing today so that their commitments are consecrated within this ceremony. Your vows are an expression of your love. They are clear statements of your promises to each other and are the foundation of your marriage. Please place your vows in this capsule for safekeeping. Awesome. And there they will stay until a year from today when you revisit and renew them. So I have a couple questions for you both. It's not a surprise. Nick, do you stand in humility and confidence as you take Beise to be your lawfully wedded wife? To have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, from this day forward until death do you part. Beise, do you stand in service and in kindness as you take Nick to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, and to have and to hold for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, from this day forward until death do you part. May we have the rings, please? So these rings represent the vows Beise and Nick have exchanged today. They are an outward and visible symbol of an inward and powerful bond. These rings are a reminder of your undying commitment to share the responsibilities of life and love together. The circles of the rings have no beginning and no end, and thus reflect the infinite love binding you together. So Nick, please repeat after me as you slide the ring on her finger. Beise, I give you this ring as a symbol of our vows. With all that I am and all I will ever be, I honor you. With this ring, I thee wed. Your turn, Beise. So as you place the ring on Nick's finger, repeat after me. Nick, I give you this ring as a symbol of our vows. With all that I am and all I will ever be, I honor you. With this ring, I thee wed. Because they have affirmed their love and commitment to one another, with the power vested in me by the state of Idaho, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Nick, you may kiss the bride. Family, for the first time ever, I'm honored to present Mr. and Mrs. Camanova and Tidwell.
What I want, you got, and it might be hard to handle, but like a flame that burns a candle, the candle feeds the flame. Yeah, yeah, what I got, full stock of thoughts and dreams that scatter, and you pull them all together, and I can't explain. Oh yeah, well, you
beautiful song entitled Thank You by Led Zeppelin.
The sun refused to shine, I would still be loving you. When mountains crumble to the sea, there will still be you and me. Kind of woman, I give you my of rain, whisper of the pain, tears of love lost in the days gone by. My love is strong, here there is no wrong. Together we shall go until we die. My inspiration's what you are to me. Love sing. So today my world, it smiles. Your hand in mine, we walk the miles. Thanks to you, it will be done. For you to me are the only one. All right, yeah. Happiness, no more. Sad happiness, I'm glad. If the sun refused to shine, I would still be loving you. Mountains crumble to the sea, still be you and me.
But I made a little girl
would sleep outside and call all the taxi cabs in the neighborhood to the neighbor's house. Sit up there and watch them. Yeah. Maybe has come a long way since then. That's from a lot to say.
Let's go. It's always so loud to say.
Honestly, he's always been a hard worker, but he used to be a jerk. And honestly, I think you guys are perfect for each other. Honestly, you are perfect for each other. And I love you both. And here's a toast. Here's to the advice of may the only house in the house be in the bedroom.
I'm glad you snuck that in, boy.
Once again, we've got one more toast.
Thank you, sir. For those of you that do not know Nick Tidwell, I've known him for too long, but this is honestly one thing that I will say about Nick Tidwell. This man absolutely is number one on my speed dial when it comes to somebody that I need. If I need someone, Nick Tidwell is right there. 1,000%. Broken tire. I need my washer changed out because I don't know the lug nuts on the stupid thing. I'm not a mechanically sound person. I have really soft palms. So Tidwell has been that for me for about 10, 15 years now. Absolutely love this person. And then he found Beise. Found this woman that made him better, which I didn't think was possible. But this guy that stole my dad's Sling Fast, literally when we were 11 years old, turned into this amazing person. And now I've got two of my best friends. And all I wanted to do, I could go on and on, because that's just who I am. I'm a loud person. But I just wanted to cheers with these guys, with all of you real quick, because I love them so much. And everything that you both did me last night, honestly, awesome. Love you guys. Seriously. Cheers. Thank you. Salute.
Mama told me when I was young,
Bana bir masal anlat baba, içinde bütün oyunlarım kurtla kuzu olsun, şekerle bal. Baba bir masal anlat bana, içinde denizle balıklar, yağmurla kar olsun, güneşle ay. Anlatırken tut elimi, uykuya dalıp gitsem bile bırakıp gitme sakın beni. Anlatırken tut elimi, uykuya dalıp gitsem bile bırakıp gitme sakın beni. Bana bir masal anlat baba, içinde tüm sevdiklerim, içinde İstanbul olsun. Masal anlat baba, içinde bütün oyunlarım kurtla kuzu olsun, şekerle bal. Baba bir masal anlat bana, içinde denizle balıklar, yağmurla kar olsun, güneşle ay. Anlatırken tut elimi, uykuya dalıp gitsem bile bırakıp gitme sakın beni. Anlatırken tut elimi, uykuya dalıp gitsem bile bırakıp gitme sakın beni. Bana bir masal anlat baba, içinde tüm sevdiklerim, içinde İstanbul olsun.